Hello, my name is Katarina Andjelkovic, and I will talk about Laszlo Moholy-Nagy's innovative experiments, the role of photography in revealing surface materiality of the Weimar era. This presentation examines the impact of Laszlo Moholy-Nagy's innovative experiments on architecture by analyzing the potential of photograms and photography in relation to the materiality of the medium. Shifting the focus from artistic to technical issues, Moholy-Nagy's innovative approach to media has drastically challenged the way we practice architecture today and has established the scientific foundations of architectural research. The transformative impact of the old technology on the medium that starts with experimental photography and film practices of the 20s has revealed a growing fascination with surface projections and how they identify light as a medium that forms space. In 1930, art historian Franz Roch captured space in Moholy-Nagy's work and interpreted his method as a forming of space by means of colored flashing light. Basing his photography experiments on surface projections, Moholy-Nagy has made otherwise invisible spaces visible. It was a continuation of his insights into unused technical capabilities of the camera apparatus, looking practically at how scientists, X-ray technicians, and criminologists, among others, deployed camera. By contextualizing the problem of the medium within the history of surface projections, I explore how projections structure the perception of space to argue that this insight can challenge the very notion of materialism in relation to the medium. These historiographic possibilities are most strikingly reflected in Moholy-Nagy's proposals for multiple simultaneous projections onto all kinds of surfaces. Referring to the cinematic projection screens, Moholy-Nagy was critical of thinking that they did not fully take into account of the medium's technical possibilities of both photography and film. Studying these unused potentials, research pays homage to these microhistories that have been coupled with contemporary theoretical reflection to turn this surface phenomena into the surface dichotomy between the material and immaterial. This work paved a way to numerous innovative architectural experiments in connection to surface materiality, from application in scenography to modern surface condition of facades, and contemporary practice that concretizes surface tension of the medium. It seems that Moholy-Nagy's method was inspired by German modernist architect's speech about architecture while looking for modernist expression, which is losing materiality of the surface while using more glass. Was started with the colored glass utopias of sci-fi writer Paul Schubert and architect Bruno Taub, as an alternative tradition within architectural modernism toward Mies van der Rohe's modern architectural practice of releasing the materiality of the surface is today recognized in Elizabeth Diller's interior projection onto folding screens. It is not a coincidence that projection was one of the descriptive terms that was used to redraw the boundaries between the visual arts and contemporary architecture at the turn of the 21st century. After all, contemporary architectural practice not only concretizes surface tension of the medium as a training ground for spatial contemplation, but it also became inseparable from the media, such as public and advertisement screens or three-dimensional projection mapping. Being capable of producing a veritable spatial effect, these facade practices have given new lease to Siegfried Krakauer's account of cinema as that which clings to the surface of things, by allowing moving images to quite literally cling to the surface of urban space. In other words, contemporary architectural practices have concretized surface tension of the media as a training ground for spatial contemplation. Thank you very much.